Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to design new test ideas or test requirements quickly. Test design is an important task for software testers. Test design is needed before testing any new product or service. The problem is that the documented requirements do not cover all aspects of the software to be tested. Therefore, we should be creative when designing tests. Test design is a very common interview question. We may be asked to design tests for any common object in the office like a pen, a coffee mug, a printer, or an elevator. A while back, I started and participated in a group discussion on test design for an object that everyone uses, a teacup. In this test ideas video, I will now share my observations from that discussion. Now, in order to test the teacup, we may start with the basic test ideas. For example, does the teacup hold an acceptable quantity of the beverage? Does it prevent loss of heat during consumption? Does it protect the consumer from the heat? Is the teacup, if it supports multiple usage, washable and wipeable? Does the teacup have acceptable weight, that is, it is not too heavy? It should not have any leaks. Now we may come up with more test ideas based on the object's operability or how it will be used. Does the teacup not get stuck with other utensils in the dishwasher? Does the teacup retain its material and shape when it is washed? Does the teacup not have any hard to reach areas that are difficult to clean? We can design more test ideas or test requirements based on interoperability, meaning how the teacup will be used with other objects. Does the teacup fit with its plate? Does it fit with its kettle? Does it fit in tea vending machines? More test ideas based on safety. Is the teacup stable when placed on a flat surface? Is it reasonably unbreakable if squeezed by hand or accidentally dropped on the floor? If it does break into large, smooth pieces instead of small and pointy pieces? Even more test ideas based on the object's looks or aesthetics. Does the teacup have a pleasing shape? Does it match with its plate and kettle? Is any printing or painting clearly visible on it? Now, in summary, if you need to design many new test ideas quickly, you may want to think of more qualities of the product or service. There is a long list of system quality attributes in Wikipedia at this link. You can also add test ideas from other perspectives, for example, the manufacturer or the transporter or the retailer of the object. That's all in this test ideas video. Thank you and see you next time.